Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to solve arithmetic series. So, let's get started. So, first, define natin yung arithmetic series. It is the sum of terms of an arithmetic sequence. It represents adding the terms of the sequence together. It is denoted by S sub n. So, ibig sabihin, pag sinabi nating arithmetic series, guys, it is the sum of terms ng ating arithmetic sequence. Okay? So, pina-plus natin lahat ng terms sa ating arithmetic sequence. So, to calculate the sum of the first n terms of an arithmetic series, we use the formula. So, we have two formulas. Okay? Depende sa given. First, if the last term a sub n is given, ang gagamitin nating formula is S sub n equals n over 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Okay, kung saan yung S sub n, ito yung sum of the first n terms natin. Yung a sub 1 naman is the first term, and yung a sub n is the n term or the last term. Okay? Next, if the last term a sub n is not given, so this time yung last term ay wala doon sa given, no? So, ang gagamitin natin formula is S sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity of 2 times a sub 1 plus the quantity of n minus 1 times d. So, dito ang naragdag is yung common difference. Okay? So, ganun pa rin. Yung a sub 1, ito yung first term. Yung n, ito yung position ng ating n terms. And yung d naman is the common difference. Okay? So, let's have our first example. Find the sum of the arithmetic sequence with 10 terms. 3, 10, 17, and yung ating last term, 66. Okay? So, dito guys, ang pinapahanap is yung arithmetic series with 10 terms. Okay? Given yung ating last term, which is 66. So, solve natin. Step 1, identify the given values. Ano ba yung mga given natin? Of course, meron tayong 3. Yun yung ating first term or first value. Given yung ating last term, yung a sub n, which is 66. Tama? Then, given din yung ating number of terms, which is 10. Ito, nakalagay. So, ang pinapahanap is yung ating sum of the arithmetic sequence o yung arithmetic series with 10 terms. Okay? Step 2. Since the last term is given, so ang gagamitin nating formula is yung first formula, which is S sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity a sub 1 plus a sub n. Okay? So, solve natin. So, solve natin yung ating arithmetic series with 10 terms. So, that is S sub 10 equals n. So, ang n natin is 10 over 2. Yung 2 dito, guys, this is constant. Times the quantity of a sub 1. So, ang a sub 1 natin, 3. Plus a sub n, yung last term, which is 66. Okay, so solve natin. 10 divided by 2, this is 5. 3 plus 66, this is 69. Tama? So, ang S sub 10 natin is equal to 5 times 69, that is 345. Okay, so therefore, the sum of the arithmetic sequence is 345. Okay, so ito yung ating arithmetic series. Okay, naintindihan ba guys? Next, let's have another example, number 2. Find the sum of the first 15 terms of the arithmetic sequence 4, 9, 14, 19. Okay, so dito guys, ang pinapahanap is yung sum of the first 15 terms. Okay? So, identify natin yung mga given. Of course, we have 4. Yan yung ating a sub 1. Ang n natin is yung number of terms, which is 15. Tama? 15 terms. So, dito guys, kailangan natin yung d natin, no? Yung common difference. Bakit natin kinuha yung common difference? Since yung last term ng ating arithmetic sequence is not given, so, kakailanganin natin yung ating common difference, no? Yung d. So, to solve for d, just subtract the term by its preceding term. So, for example, 14 minus 9, ang sagot natin dyan, 5. Okay, so any term naman, no? For example, 19. 19 minus 14, that is also positive 5. Tama? So now, pwede na nating isolve yung ating sum o yung arithmetic series natin, okay, ng 15 terms. So, since the last term is not given, use the second formula. So, ano ba yung second formula natin kanina? We have S sub n equals n over 2 times the quantity of 2a sub 1 or 2 times a sub 1 plus the quantity n minus 1 times d. Okay, so input natin yung mga given natin. So that is S sub 15. Ito yung ating arithmetic series. Kung saan ang n natin is 15 divided by 2 times 2, a sub 1. Ang a sub 1 natin 4. Tama? And then meron tayong n ulit dito which is 15 minus 1. This is constant. D natin is equal to 5. Okay, so isa-solve natin tong ating equation using PEMDAS. So, syempre, unahin natin yung mga nasa parenthesis, no? So, by the way, pwede na rin natin isolve yung 15 over 2. So, 15 divided by 2, that is 7.5. Then, sa may loob ng parenthesis, 2 times 4, that is positive 8. Plus, 15 minus 1, this is 14. Tama? Then, 14 times 5, that is 70. Okay? So, solve natin yung parenthesis. 70 plus 8, this is 78. Tama? 78 times 7.5, that is 585. Okay? So, ito na yung ating S sub 15. So, therefore, the sum of the arithmetic sequence is 585. Okay? So, naintindihan ba guys kung paano mag-solve ng arithmetic series? Next, let's proceed to example number 3. Mang Tonyo is a kalesa driver in the historic streets of Vigan, Ilocos Sur. On his first day, he earns 200 pesos. As more tourists visit throughout the week, his earnings increase by 100 pesos each day. If this pattern continues for 15 days, how much will Mang Tonyo earn in total? Okay, so dito guys, pwede natin itong applyan ng arithmetic series. Okay? Kung saan, let a sub n equals the earning of Mang Tonyo on day n. Okay? So ngayon, identify natin yung mga given values. Of course, sabi dito, Mang Tonyo, okay, on his first day, he earns 200 pesos. Ibig sabihin, itong 200 pesos, ito yung ating first value. Tama? Yung ating a sub 1. Okay? And then next, sabi dito, as more tourists visit throughout the week, his earnings increase by 100 each day. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong common difference, no? May pinaplus tayo. Nag-add tayo ng 100 pesos each day. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung ating common difference, okay? Which is 100 pesos. Naintindihan ba? Next, sabi dyan, if this pattern continues for 15 days, how much will Mang Tonyo earn in total? Ibig sabihin, yung 15 days dito guys, ito yung ating N. Okay, the number of terms. So, number of terms is equal to 15. Tama? So, step 2, since the last term is not given, so ang gagamitin nating formula is yung second formula, which is S sub n equals n over 2 times 2 times a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay, so solve natin. Substitute natin yung mga given. So, ang n natin is 15. Tama? Over 2 times 2 times a sub 1 kung saan ang a sub 1 is 200 plus n which is 15 minus 1. Again, yung 1, this is constant times d which is 100 pesos. Okay, so simplify natin. 15 divided by 2, that is 7.5. 2 times 200, this is 400. Next, 15 minus 1, we have 14. Tama? 14 times 100, this is 1,400. Okay? So ngayon, solve natin. 1,400 plus 400. Okay, that is 1,800 times 7.5. So, ang S sub 15 natin is 13,500. Okay? So, therefore, Mang Tonyo will earn a total of 13,500 in 15 days. Okay? So, ginamit natin yung arithmetic series to get the total earnings ni Mang Tonyo. Okay? And that is 13,500. Okay? Naintindihan ba, guys? So, and that's it for our lesson today. I hope you were able to understand the topic, no? So, if you have any questions or clarifications, feel free to drop a comment below. So, thank you guys for watching. This is Prof. D. See you on the flip side. Bye!